This is Priyanka from IELTSmaster.com, and you have been a part of our IELTS Master family, and you have recently achieved your target scores. So, can you give a little introduction about yourself and tell us about the course which you were a part of in IELTSmaster.com?
Hi, my name is Keerthi, and I'm studying at Indian Institute of Information Technology, Kottayam. And right now I'm staying in Hyderabad, and as it is my native place. So I felt that it was really hard to motivate myself to do self-study because I had an IELTS exam to prepare for because I was aiming for post-graduation admissions abroad. So I thought I'll take a 30-day course, and I've taken it from IELTS Master.
All right. So I would like to ask you, how did the course structure that you were provided with help you in your preparation? Do you have anything to say in specific about the platform and the entire methodology of IELTS Master?
So we were given preparation materials online, and that was really organized, and it was already prepared by professionals. So we didn't have to look through the internet, find all the resources by our own, and consolidate them and make them organized. So that helped me a lot. And apart from that, the speaking sessions were really productive because I know English because I've been speaking English since childhood and school and with friends and all. But there is a certain pattern that you have to follow when you're giving an exam, and you have to be professional, and there are some tips that you have to follow, and it's not just like you can just speak in English, but you have like some principles that you have to follow, and I learned all those little tips from teachers. And along with that, I got interest in reading because since childhood I never read a single book, but I started reading only after joining IELTS Master.
Okay, so you are saying that format is as important as knowing the language, right? So, okay, I am sure that these great scores are a result of your hard work. You did a lot of hard work along with the training provided. So, okay, so there's one more thing I would like to ask you, that we all know that because of this COVID-19 situation, everybody's worried about their health, and they're taking their appropriate measures. So what measures did you take while appearing for the exam, and what were the measures taken by the administration of IELTS?
The test center was really clean, and social distancing was maintained, and they were very strict with it. And we were wearing masks all the time. We were not allowed to take out our mask at any point of the test in listening, be it in speaking. And everything was made sure that we felt comfortable and safe, that we didn't feel like we were not threatened by our life to give an exam. So,
correct. So you were wearing a mask, you said. So did it affect your speaking test in any way?
I thought it would affect. Like, I was a little bit intimidated by wearing a mask because I never, like, we speak generally, but I never spoke in a test using a mask. So it was a hindrance, but it's not that big a deal. We can just overcome it. It's not a problem at all.
Okay then, Keerthi, I think thank you so much. That would be all. And thank you so much for sharing your insights regarding the test and the portal and your experience with the portal. I would like to wish you all the best for your future. And thank you for giving us your time. Thank you, Keerthi. All the best. Have a great day.